What's up, guys? Peacock 146 here. Hope you guys have a great day, evening, or night, whenever you guys tuned in, checking this out. Hey. So anyways, today I'm here to do a how-to video. Real quick, simple, nice and easy. Takes 5 minutes to do it. It's a good snack, you know, if you want a quick snack to eat. I bought 50 cents, so cheap as well. At least this one was. I bought Walmart brand French vanilla. I actually just recently had the cookies and cream one. And I've never had the French vanilla one, so try this out. But without further ado, let's get right on into it. And see you guys in a second. Alright, so first thing you want to do is obviously read the instructions on the back here, you know. If it'd focus, that'd be great. On. There we go. Okay, so first thing you want to do is it says pour 2 cups of cold milk, 2% reduced fat into a bowl, which honestly I just use whatever milk I have. I don't think it makes much of a difference. So let's go ahead and do that. You will need a measuring cup, milk, pudding, and a beater for this, by the way, in case you didn't already know. Alright, so that's all set. That aside, put my milk away. Alright, and then open this up now. And then, alright. Says add the mix, beat until well blended with the beater. Oh, as I'm making a mess. So basically from this point on, what you want to do is add the mix in. It smells good in here. Wish I could let you guys smell it. I love vanilla. But anyways, the next step you want to do is beat this until it basically gets thick, like pudding, like how it's supposed to be. And then after that, it says you wait 5 minutes, you eat it, bada bing, bada boom. So let me do this real quick. I always go back and forth, you know, around in circles. Just keep it going. I'll be back in 5 minutes or so. I'll show you the finished product. We'll wrap this video up and see you then. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. The pudding's all done. It's actually more yellower than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be more of a whitish color, or white. But anyways, so the next step you do is you grab your spoon. And I apologize that I'm teasing you guys, but and you take a bite. Okay. Actually, that's really good. So then if you don't finish it, what I do is I take some of this clear plastic wrap it up, and put it in your fridge. Save it for later. I know when I made the cookies and cream one the other day, I had to remix it up again because it kind of like came apart. So make sure you do that when you reheat it, if you do have to do it that way. Serve it up, you know, give it to friends. I say there's enough in here for about 4 people maybe. If you give a little, you know, do little things or whatever. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, the how-to video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, please, and thank you. And yeah, till next time, Peacock 146 out. Peace.